Hello everyone. Today I'll guide you through creating a simple landing page using Go HighLevel step by step. But before we dive in, make sure to click the link in the description box to access Go HighLevel. Now, let's get started. First things first, if you're new here, don't forget to create an account on Go HighLevel. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard. Navigate to the Sites section, and you'll find two options for creating funnels and landing pages: the website feature and the funnel section. Today, we'll focus on the funnel section. Click on New Funnel. Here you'll see a variety of pre-built templates tailored to different industries and purposes. These templates are incredibly handy as they save you from starting from scratch. Choose a template that suits your needs or start fresh if you prefer. Once you've selected your template, hit Continue. Now you're ready to edit your landing page. The editing interface is intuitive and user-friendly. You can easily modify text, images, and other elements using the drag-and-drop builder. You can customize every aspect of your landing page, from headlines to buttons. If you want to embed a video, Go HighLevel allows you to host videos directly or embed them from platforms like YouTube or Vimeo. Before publishing, ensure you've saved your changes and filled in essential metadata like title, description, and keywords for SEO purposes. For mobile optimization, Go HighLevel provides a separate editing mode. You can also control the visibility of elements on different devices, ensuring a seamless experience across all platforms. Once you're satisfied with your landing page, save your work, and you're good to go. You can even clone pages for A/B testing or further customization. That wraps up our tutorial on creating a simple landing page using Go HighLevel. Don't forget to click the link in the description box to try Go HighLevel. Thank you for watching.